Hi guys, today I will be unboxing this guitar wall hanger. Guitar hanger. So the brand is Hercules. Okay, and see here it says upgraded AGS. I'm not sure what does it mean. Okay. Okay, so start. Now open this one. So nothing much inside, so you can see right away. So this is the wall hanger, and it comes with the screw. So basically a wood screw, and also capable of installing on the brick wall masonry. Okay. So, metal construction, really nice. I'm not sure, I think this one is plastic, and you can see this is moving. Normally when you place the guitar here, then it will close. Okay. And also it comes with a sleeve, this one. If your guitar has a how do you call this, if your instrument has a smaller neck, then you have to use this sleeve, but if not, normally just remove it. Okay, alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching.